Welcome, students, to Miss Conway's mini lesson about run-on sentences. Now, if you don't already have the worksheet that I passed out in class, like you forgot it at school, if you go down a few clicks of the mouse, there should be a document that you should be able to click on and print out at home so you can follow along. If you even want to, you can just open it and type along on the computer as you go through the video. At any point in time, if you need to stop the video or pause it to fill out any answers or write a couple things, or pause, rewind so you can rehear what I say, because we all know Miss Conway talks pretty fast, feel free to go ahead and do it. You can watch this video as many times as you want. You can refer back to it as many times as you want. All right? Here we go. To define it, first of all, a run-on sentence or a fused sentence is one that has two complete sentences or independent clauses joined together without proper punctuation. As an example, my brother has big brown eyes. He can talk my mother into about anything. And that's so true. My brother has that, the big brown eyes. He got away with so much when we were younger. It's obnoxious. Anyway. Again, we're looking at this. My brother has big brown eyes. He can talk my mother into about anything. If we flip it, we have the two separate sentences. All right? The first one is underlined with a single line. My brother has big brown eyes. It's a complete sentence right there. It's a statement, subject. He has big brown eyes. You go to the second one, double underlined, he can talk my mother into about anything. All right, so there's the second one. Two complete sentences combined with no punctuation. Nothing to make it work. All right? Now, what I'm going to do is read you three different sentences. I'm going to have you write down one or two, whatever your space can provide, and I want you to pause the tape and correct it on your own, okay? And then we'll go back and go through them with some examples. Just, you might not already know how to do it, so just do what you think might work to fix it, all right? All right. Steph has red hair. It is beautiful. Stephanie has red hair. It is beautiful. Marilyn has blonde hair. It is shiny and pretty. Marilyn has blonde hair. It is shiny and pretty. And the last example. Tommy has light brown hair. It is short and spiky. Tommy has light brown hair. It is short and spiky. All right, the three basic ways, though these are not the only ways you can fix it, are first, punctuation, so using a period of some kind. Like in the first example, Stephanie has red hair, period, capital for the next word, it is beautiful. Verb, subject, or you got your subject and everything. All right? So separated with punctuation, like split it up into two sentences. All right? The next one, conjunction and a comma. We all remember what conjunctions are. Okay. Marilyn has blonde hair, comma, conjunction, and it is shiny and pretty. Marilyn has blonde hair, comma, conjunction, it is shiny and pretty. All right? And last but not least, Tommy has light brown hair, it is short and spiky. We just add a semicolon. Tommy has light brown hair. It is short and spiky. And there is our semicolon. Tommy has light brown hair, semicolon. It is short and spiky. All right. Pause, play, rewind as many times as you need. When we get into class tomorrow, we're going to look at our own writing and our own essays and try and find run-on sentences and then correct them by ourselves. Okay? If you need any extra help, make sure you write it in the survey at the bottom of this. And I'll see you all tomorrow in class. Have a great night.